We have created an array of a 10 by 10 matrix, and for that matrix we can do the indexing in arrays using row start, row stop, row step, and column start, column stop, and column stop. And for single value, if you are putting a single value directly, it is going to represent a row. But if you want a single column as an output, you have to put a column in the rows position and then comma and then put the column number. Okay. If you want the data output in a two-dimensional way, so then you have to use a column and the next number. Okay, so that it is going to print the same column but in a two-dimensional, either it is in a row or column wise. Okay, so like that you can print it. And if I wanted to print somewhere in the middle, let's say these three, 23, 52, 84, okay, 57, 49, 43, and 16, 63, and 49. Okay, so if I wanted to print these three, okay, so what I can do is I have to find out the position of this. These three, right? 23. So 23, 52, 84. It is in the 0, 1, 2, 3, third row. Okay, third row, and coming to the position of the column 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is in the third column and third row. Okay, and till this part 49. Okay, so 23, 52, 84, 57, 49, 43, and 16, 63, 49. So first let's get this one. Okay, first let's get these three. So it is starting in the third row and ending at the fourth row. So this one we can get it using by putting the number 3 in rows position. Okay, by putting the number 3 in the 8 position. Okay. So what we can do is let's put array 10, okay, in the square bracket of rows position. So what you can do is put 3. Okay, if you are putting 3, you are getting those values, but whole row you are getting. Okay, whole row you are getting. So next thing is that after getting the whole row, we need from this column, okay, which is in the third column, right? So I can mention from third column. Okay, this is third column, fourth column, fifth column. So that means I need to write till sixth column, so that 3, 4, 5 columns will be printed. Okay, so 23, 52, and 84. Fine, we got it. 23, 52, and 84. But these two also I wanted, so that means these two are representing fourth columns, fourth row and fifth row. Okay, so to get fourth row and fifth row also you have to put 3 colon 6, so I'll get fourth row and fifth row. Okay, so specifically I am getting these 3 output. Okay, these 3 output. Okay, so like that you can mention any position. Okay, and coming to okay, so any doubts in this part? Anyone have any doubts? Okay, fine. Continuing with the next part. So I'd like to show you the reverse indexing in arrays. Okay, so reverse indexing. As we know, reverse indexing is basically nothing but from last to first. Okay, so if you wanted to get the last value, you simply need to use -1. Okay, array 10 of. So if you are using 9th, so it is going to get the last value, because we have 10 by 10 matrix, which is 9 indexes will have, till 9th index will have, or array 10 of -1 if you use the same output. Okay, same output you will get. So like this you can get the value. Okay, like this you can get the reverse indexing value. And similarly, if you wanted to get the column, so column comma -1. Okay, or same thing, colon comma 9. Okay, colon comma 9. And if you wanted to get let's say last column the first position and last second column in the second position, like that. Okay, if you want to reverse the columns, okay, if you wanted to reverse the columns, then array 10 uh, select all rows. Okay, select all rows, but I will do start from -1. Okay, I'll do start from -1 and I'll put a column, and stopping value I don't need, but we know step value I have to put -1. For reverse indexing, step is very important. Your step value is -1. Okay, -1. If you do, it starts with reverse index. Okay, so the last column 16, 50, 84, 95, 3, that in the first column, and 51, 87, this is actually the last second column, like that. Okay, so like that the indexing happens. Okay. And if you wanted to do the row reversal, okay, if you wanted to do the row reversal, then what you can do is row reversal. So array 10 of, you have to put -1 with the starting. Okay, last row in the first, and you have to do reverse indexing, and then leave the columns as it is. Okay, either you can put column like this or you can leave it. Okay, so whatever the last row it is there, it is in the first one. Okay, 75, this last second row, last third row, all that in the reverse index. And completely reversible in the sense like so 16 will be here, sorry, this is array 10, right? Okay, if I am going to do the reversal completely, this 31 will be here and 64 will be at the last. Okay, and this rows and columns completely will be reversed. Okay, so row and columns reversal, edit. Okay, so array 10 of, so -1 colon colon -1 comma -1 colon colon -1. Save. So now if you see, this whole data is completely reverse of the original data. Okay, so if you see, this is our original data and this is our reversal data. Okay, so you can see 31 till 15 came here reversal. Okay, previously we only kept this particular row on the top, okay, or this particular column on the starting, but now this particular column, sorry, this particular row is on the top and in the reverse manner. Okay, so everything got reversed, okay, into the position. Last value came into the first position, last second value came into the second position. Okay, last third value in the third position from the starting, like that. Okay, so that's how we have did the reverse. Okay, that's how we did the reverse. So this is the reverse indexing concept in reverse indexing concept in Numpy. Okay, so like this. Okay,
and then
so
where will we use this reverse indexing practically?
Practical in the sense, so basically what you will do is, generally in image concepts related things, you'll do lots of changing actually. Let me show you one small thing.
Understood. Basically in image processing and
Yes,
all, it might be used.
yes. So later you will learn this CV2 computer vision package. uh, Okay, so this is some kind of image that we are generating from this array. Okay, so this is basically nothing but this particular number is representing this color. Okay, and similarly, this is array 10 original data, and if you wanted to do the reversal, I am show of written. So this will be a reversal image. Okay, reversal image. But normally speaking, like for different images, like for face images or so, you will do lot of image related operations for this one. So this indexing is basically going to capture a smaller image. So if you get a bigger image, okay, like let's say if you want to capture eyes of a person inside an image, you will do the image index, okay, array indexing only there, and you'll try to capture that eyes, okay, or something else like that. If you want to capture a specific position, then you'll use this array indexing, and then you will get it.
Understood, understood.
Yeah, so that is the usage basically. Okay, so of course we'll do this more in depth later when we get into computer vision concept and all in data science, but yeah. Okay, fine. So that's with the indexing and all. So you can do more manipulations. I will add more questions on this one. Okay, how to do small parts of the indexing and all. So uh, okay, yeah. So that's basically NumPy actually. So of course we will do more in depth when we get into actual data manipulations and all more. So then that time we will do a lot of things. But for now, I think this is enough actually.